Hey, welcome back. We're at Toker's Garage again. So last video, I didn't really have that much energy, enthusiasm. It was kind of monotone there. And I don't want it to be like that. This is supposed to be a fun channel. So today we are going to start tearing down the Mazda. We're going to take the wheels off and whatever else I end up getting to. But first things first, I really need to get this toolbox a little organized here. So as you can see, that toolbox, yeah, that's just not gonna work. That ain't gonna cut it. So I'm gonna organize this toolbox here, and after I organize this toolbox, we'll get to start working on the car. All right, so we are all done here. This right here, I don't have any place to put those, so I'm just gonna have to buy one of those later on down the road. So here we got, the brake stuff, the electric stuff that I don't really use that much, hammers. I mean, I'll probably end up using those quite a bit on this vehicle. Who knows, there might be a lot of rusty bolts. I don't think so, but this car does have a tendency to rust on the quarter panels, so who knows, we'll see. Pliers, vice grips, all that, tin snips. Let's see. This other drawer, mainly gonna be ratchets, other miscellaneous electrical tools. Wire strippers, drill bits, wrenches. And down here is going to be more of the specialty stuff like your Torx, your E-Torque sockets, whatever those things are. I forgot, can't think right now. Allen ratchet head things, whatever, and swivel sockets, and a bunch of brushes. So, oh wait, and we got pry bars, assortment of screwdrivers, and Allen keys or Allen wrenches. And so let's get this car jacked up and let's get this thing rolling. conversation piece.
Oh, I didn't know what you meant.
There's a backstory on that.
But yeah, no, when I came down here, you had that truck in the shop, so you were already out of commission with the Mazda.
Oh, this guy didn't even put the suspension on right, so when I take this tire off, this thing might explode.
Like literally?
The tire might just shoot to the ground. Really, really fast.
Why isn't the suspension like too tight or something? Like,
there's a legit bungee cord.
right, that's what I'm saying. Is it like too compressed?
No, it's just a bungee cord. It's literally, I don't even know if they can see that, but
I can see that.
it's a legit bungee cord. Like, how do you, like, what? Okay.
I don't know, man.
We'll roll with that, I guess. That's cool. I love finding stuff like that.
I will say this though, Brett. It's not the first time you bought a car and found out things after the fact. Like the first Mazda grinding gears.
Oh, the first one with the low transmission?
Yeah, that you found out like leaving after
Leaving the place, literally handed them the check, leaving the place, going to third gear, no, going into fourth gear.
Well, you knew that it was grinding into fourth, but then it started grinding in going into third.
Oh yeah, into third. Oh, there's my dog. Hey, Aphrodite. My babies. Let me guess. Oh, thank you. This is Aphrodite. It's my baby girl. Ooh, you'll see her every once in a while on the channel. So, I'm gonna get the other side off here in a few. I'll probably end up videoing it, but it's the same as the other side. I'm just taking the wheel off, and then we'll go back to the trunk and we'll get all the stuff out of the trunk, the top part of the motor and all that. And yeah, so that'll probably be the end of the video today. And then my next video will be tackling the suspension and taking off all the body panels that I said I was probably going to take off, which is bumper, both bumpers, hood, trunk, take the headlights out, taillights out, and yeah, we'll go from there. What I was saying to my buddy earlier is I bought this car and I didn't really have time to take a true look at it and see if anything was wrong or whatever and all that stuff, but this right front here, this was the problem. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but see this piece right here? Yeah, that's your tie rod. That connects here and it helps steer the car. Now, the guy had a bungee cord from here, from my upper control arm here down to my tie rod end, holding it in to the spindle. So basically, if that were to have broken and this car was running and I was driving it and it broke, I would have had no steering on that side. So, like I was saying before, you're probably better off getting your stuff checked before you drive it. And if it doesn't drive, obviously tow it. But if you can't get it checked out, definitely get it towed. Just get it towed. Just be on the safe side, get it towed till you get home or till you get it to a mechanic shop or something, because that could have been a very bad situation. So, I actually just looked at my phone and I didn't realize how late it was. It's 11:30 at night and I have work tomorrow. So I think that's where I'm gonna stop. Oh God, I think I had you guys pointing at the ceiling. But I think that's where I'm gonna stop for today. I know I didn't get much done. I got a late start today, but hey, it is what it is. I tackled my toolbox, as you see. But yeah, I really want to get this going. I really, really do. Like, I don't think you understand. Like, this is my passion. Cars, anything with a motor, this is my passion. I love this stuff. I mean, I just can't describe to you what it feels like to actually be working on a car again. It feels so good, so exhilarating. And to me, some people say that reading's their, stress relief, or cooking is so therapeutic for them, or running or working out. Well, this right here, this project, any car project that I work on, that's my therapy. That's my stress relief. That, God, I can't explain it, but it's so stress relieving to be able to work on cars again. And I love it. But this has been Toker's Garage. And you know what? I'm going to have a catchphrase on the channel, and it's going to be, if you can dream it, you can build it. Because my dream for this car is to be back to amazing glory when this car came out. I want to build it. I want to sleeve the block. I want to put a big turbo on it. I want to shoot flames. I want to do two-step. I want to do rolling anti-lag on down the interstate. And I mean, I want this car to be awesome. So that's my dream. And whatever dream you have, you can build it too. So that's going to be my catchphrase. If you can dream it, you can build it.